Welcome to this course on integrating variable renewables into the electricity system. We're seeing a worldwide acceleration in the deployment of renewable technologies like wind turbines and solar panels, such that they're making up an increasing share of overall electricity generation in many countries. The output from these generation technologies is weather dependent and therefore variable in nature. And this means that we need to consider how to accommodate this variability at a system-wide level, both capitalising on and also enhancing the already considerable degree of flexibility within our electricity systems. In this course, you'll learn about what electricity systems do, understanding their critical role in instantaneously balancing supply and demand, their role in ensuring that there's enough generation capacity to meet the highest levels of demand, known as peak demand, their role in ensuring safe, stable and reliable operation of the system, and in many cases doing all of this as cost effectively as possible. You'll learn about the different electricity generation technologies and how they operate, and how this determines the degree to which they are predictable, flexible, and variable. You'll learn about the different demands on flexibility of electricity systems, both today and increasingly in the future as we see higher shares of variable renewables in these systems. You'll see the different operational and technological solutions that we already have available to us so that we can accommodate these variable renewables successfully and cost effectively. And you'll see how we will have new solutions in the future as we move to ever higher shares of variable renewables in our systems. You'll learn all of this not just from a theoretical perspective, but also from a practical perspective, looking across different countries to see how they've already successfully accommodated high shares of variable renewables. By the end of this course, you should feel confident in understanding, explaining and discussing with a range of stakeholders how electricity systems operate, how they do so flexibly, and how they can continue to operate cost effectively and reliably as they become increasingly renewables dependent and increasingly low carbon, which is a central aspect of how we can decarbonise our economies to tackle climate change.